Welcome back to Medical. Today I have a look with Osteocare tablets that contain the essential nutrients, that means minerals, that is calcium, magnesium, zinc and vitamin D. I'll show you the user side effects, benefits, interactions, contraindications, pharmacological actions of this medicine. I'll discuss you in this video, friends. Let's have a look in this. In this box contain the Vitabiotics branding and it contains 30 tablets. These 30 tablets, the full schedule of 15 days, have to take one tablet twice daily, in the morning time and evening at the bedtime, friends, with full meal. After food only you have to take. You'll get the better benefit of this vitamin D, magnesium and then zinc and calcium, friends, because this is the essential vitamins which is day to day life we need more, because of some peoples are not avail in the sunlight, because of sunshine vitamin they are not getting properly. Normally who are all aged persons, means obstetricians, who are all like that, means geriatric patients, they have to take these vitamins, because days by days the age goes longer, means above 40 age they should take at least one tablet a day, because normally if the growing means of the age, according to the age the vitamins get reduced in their body. If the vitamins get reduced in their body, may cause this type of symptoms. What are all the symptoms you will get, you will feel, means fatigue, not sleeping well, sleepiness and then bone pain and ache, depression, hair loss, muscle weakness, loss of appetite, getting sick more easily, friends, and pale skin. These are the different types of symptoms may you feel because of this vitamin D deficiency, calcium deficiency and magnesium deficiency. If you having the deficiency of magnesium also, you will get migraine severely. Because of that, if magnesium is low in our body content, you will frequently get tiredness, because magnesium is a supplement. Normally we are taking our food, daily food, in that also it is not sufficient to your body, means you will get frequently this type of symptoms, friends. So you have to take at least one tablet twice daily above 40 age, or else below 40 age who are all having the deficiency of vitamin D, they can take one tablet daily for 30 days. At least they continued with 3 months, means they'll get better benefit. So next to that they cannot take, they should not take this medicine, no need to worry about that. There is no side effect about having vitamin D, friends, these osteocare tablets, because these osteocare tablets are belongs to, it doesn't contain any type of colorants. This tablet is made of calcium and doesn't contain the coating also, because the brand is no, I'm not supporting or promoting this video, only I am giving the clear description of this medicine, friends. That is a major thing I have to share with you. So now what I am going to tell you means, overall nowadays many of the persons are having the osteomalacia, rheumatoid arthritis, and then because of vitamin D get reduced in their body, means they'll get immunity get reduced. If my immunity get reduced, means they get easily disease will attack easily, means autoimmune disease may continue, friends, in their future. So because of that only, if they are maintaining their deficiency sufficiently, means vitamins sufficiently, they will not get any more disease in their life. This is the major thing I have to discuss you. I hope so you get the full information about this medicine. I'll come back with new video, friends. Till that, keep supporting us channel, keep subscribing us, click the bell icon for all notifications. Till that, keep supporting us, friends. Thank you.